This video will demonstrate how to zoom in, zoom out, and pan around the map using your mouse, keyboard, and ZIMAS tools. First, let's use the mouse and keyboard. To zoom in with the mouse, scroll the mouse wheel forward. Zooming in makes map details more visible. To zoom out, scroll the mouse wheel backwards. This time, you'll notice that map details become less visible. In order to pan over the map, left-click and drag your mouse in the desired direction. You can pan left, right, up, or down. On your keyboard, you can use the arrow keys to move the map in any direction. Next, by using your keyboard and mouse, you can press the Shift key, left-click your mouse, and drag your mouse to zoom into a desired area. ZIMAS also has a few built-in tools that allow users to zoom in and out and pan as well. Select the navigation icon to display the map navigation tools. Here, you'll find the zoom in, zoom out, pan, zoom to full extent, zoom to previous, and zoom to the next extent tools. To zoom in, select this tool. Left-click on the map and drag your mouse to the area you'd like to zoom into. Similarly, to zoom out, select this tool. Left-click and drag your mouse to zoom out of an area. Select the pan icon and click on the map to move it in any direction. The Zoom to Full Extent of Map tool will display the entire city map. The Zoom to Previous Extent will take you to the previous extent. While the Zoom to Next Extent will allow you to toggle between your current and previous map extents. Finally, use the slider on the left-hand side to zoom in and out of a map area. Click on the slider dial, drag up to zoom in, and down to zoom out. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.